guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again with another video, and it's a juice video this time. Guess what I'm gonna juice? My papaya. Hey, my backyard fruitful, you know. My papaya, and I'm telling you, and my mango with a lime juice. And guess what I'm gonna mix it with? Blueberry. If you never hear about this juice, you have to do it and taste it, because it's a bomb. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my fruit, and I will be right back. Okay. And there's the fruit, you have to wash it first, you know. Got my mango. I'm gonna peel my mango first, and this mango don't have no string, okay? No string in it, so I don't have to strain it. Okay. Mango, papaya, and blueberry. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna throw that blueberry here. Okay. And my lemon over here. Okay, I'm gonna do my lime. And remember, nothing straining off, right? Okay, I'm gonna throw it on this blender. My water is right here. I will do this 2 times. Just gonna that one first. Do it 2 times. Okay. This is the first round. I know it look good. Wow, look at it. Look. Oh my gosh. This look good. This looks so good. Okay. I'll do the second one. Okay. Good. Wow. 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 Right amount. Look at my juice, man. Good. No sugar needed. No sugar needed. It tastes so nice. Try it, man. Don't try it. Don't make me come a brag. I want to try it. And you need to try all my juice and my food. They're delicious. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. May the love of God continue to bless each and every one of us and our family. Bye from now.